So I'm back in the whip, aka Christine. I know y'all see the Alcantara steering wheel sitting right there, looking all pretty and stuff. And I know some of y'all gonna say something about that econ mode being on, but it don't even matter because it's my car, so I don't even care what y'all gotta say.
Drippin', saucy yellow, bitch, I do this often. My bitch is bad, she always in office. So I got a tags on running my body. Can't see the pads, I'm living too fast. With 20 my dash, I'm up, but I lost him. He wanna brag, I did his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost him. Then he broke, he took.
A freaking McLaren Senna, bro.
Oh yeah, this thing is clean.
You're so sexy. Damn.
Shit.
Alright, because your boy got Amazon Prime, went and bought these, and they only took a day to get here, so I finally got them. Came in this little cheap package. I only paid like $13 for them. I'm about to get rid of these little ugly lights right here, and they're gonna be white. They're gonna be replaced with the LEDs and stuff, so that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm just about to pop these Jones out right here. I already did the ones on the door, so I just gotta do this. Then the one that's in the back. Bro, it's hot as fuck right now. It's like 90 degrees, man. So fucking hot. It's like it's a workout just to fucking put bulbs in, man. Alright, so I'm about to bust her ass. I'm about to bust her ASS and Uno. She thinks she could beat me. She thinks she could beat the kid, but she really can't. Right now we up in our little spot, about to play Uno. It look like I have nobody in the car with me. That's funny. I'm gonna move over so I don't look like a fool. Let's get this party started.
2 hours later.
Uno. I haven't said that all game. I mean, for all of our rounds. God damn it. She put a draw four down.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, you win. I'm not playing no more. Alright, so I got the lights in. Here's the front ones. And then here's the back right here. And then this the side on the door. Looking clean, bro, with the two-tone interior.
Again, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. You can tell a nigga Lynn, you got a man. Know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. an L, I ain't took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I hop so in. It's crazy how they watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose, I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose, I don't ever lose. Flying my mind to Japan, flying my dad.
So that dude in the Mustang probably thought he could really beat me. It was an ego boost. I don't know what Mozzie had, but I definitely heard a blower valve, and then he did have like a little exhaust to it. He did have some passengers in it. I did as well. And the race that y'all seen was like a 50 roll, and I had it in third gear. I could have dropped it down to second gear and beat him by a lot more. Even though y'all couldn't see it, I beat him probably by like 2 or 3 car lengths. Second gear, I definitely probably would have pulled about 4 or 5 or something like that. I'm over here whooping up on Mustangs. Next, I gotta get a 5.0. You better watch out, because I'm coming. I know some of y'all been asking me about this. Been asking like, what is this? So I'm gonna tell y'all right now what it is. It is a Amazon Fire tablet. I'm gonna put the link down in the description if you wanna check it out. But basically what it is, I use it for my K-tuner. The one that I bought the V1.2. I didn't buy the V2 because the V2 is like almost $700. The one that I got was $459, something like that. You gotta look online and check it out. But the one I got, you don't get the screen that comes with the V2. I saved myself $200 by buying this, and it pretty much does the same thing, if not more than what the K-tuner screen actually does. So I'm gonna show y'all like a little bit of things that they do. Because the K-tuner unit is actually like Bluetooth, you can like connect it to it. You can switch the layouts. I use this one right here where I can record my 0 to 60s and my quarter mile times and my 1/8 mile times and stuff like that. So I mean, that's pretty helpful. Then also you can flash your tunes, so you can change your tunes right there. So I got 5 tunes. I got the flash tune 1 through 5 right there, and then you can also flash back to the factory tune. It's pretty much the same thing as the screen that you get for the V2, but it's a lot cheaper. But hey man, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Different strokes for different folks, you know what I'm saying?
No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an L, I ain't took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I hop so in. It's crazy how they watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose, I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose, I don't ever lose. Flying my mind to Japan, flying my dad to Japan. We in the fans, we gon' link up with the fam. Yeah, I'm talking NBA, yeah, yeah.